One icy evening turned the roads of Lexington, Kentucky into massive pileup mayhem, and Liam's Tesla Model 3 ended up right in the middle of the chaos. He was on his way to a buddy's house to watch a football game when vehicles ahead suddenly started sliding out of control on black ice. Liam managed to stop in time, but the drivers behind him weren't so lucky. First, a pickup truck slammed into the back of his Model 3, shoving it forward and pinning it to the vehicle ahead of him. Before he could even process what had just happened, an SUV delivered a second massive hit. His Tesla was now completely trapped, sandwiched between vehicles with no way to escape. Meanwhile, everything around him devolved into total chaos. Official reports from police revealed that over 120 traffic incidents had occurred over the course of 5 hours, thanks to black ice that formed after the city of Lexington failed to put any de-icer on the roads. Liam checked on the occupants of the involved vehicles, and incredibly, nobody was seriously injured. Sadly, his Model 3 was the only one of the 3 vehicles that wasn't able to drive away. A tow truck responded to move the vehicles around and get everyone unstuck before towing Liam's Tesla away. He's still waiting to find out if it can be fixed or if it'll be totaled. Thanks to his Teslacam capturing every slippery moment in high definition, Liam has had no problems dealing with the insurance companies. He told us he's been a Wham Bam fan for years, but now he's officially joined the Chaos Club. Kyle was headed out of New York City in his Model Y. While cruising down a highway, the hood of a minivan ahead of him suddenly flew open, smashing into the windshield. Thankfully, the driver was able to safely pull over, and it doesn't appear that anyone was seriously hurt. Gabe was driving his Model 3 one Saturday on his way to replace his temporary license plates with real ones. As he changed lanes to pass slowing traffic, an SUV driver began merging into the same lane at the same time. Gabe quickly evaded the near sideswipe, but he nearly clipped another vehicle passing on his right. Somehow he managed to thread the needle, avoiding any collisions, but I bet that close call had his heart in his throat. Sam was cruising along, taking his kids home after tennis practice, and he told us he was perfectly obeying the 35-mile-per-hour speed limit. Suddenly, an older BMW X5 came out of nowhere, flying out from Sam's right before cutting all the way across to the left turn lane. Sadly, the BMW driver overestimated his SUV's brakes before rear-ending another SUV driver waiting to turn. Sam told us it was clear who was at fault, and since nobody appeared hurt, he kept rolling. Elijah was driving in Georgia when drivers ahead suddenly started slamming on their brakes. The driver of the SUV ahead of him wasn't paying attention before they rear-ended a gray pickup truck. Elijah had to swerve hard into the breakdown lane to avoid rear-ending the SUV. Once traffic started moving again, Elijah continued on his way. Jeremy approached a construction zone where traffic had been reduced to a single lane as he rolled through Ontario. He was following behind a delivery van when he spotted another identical van waiting to be allowed through the construction area. Suddenly, the waiting van was rear-ended. Since there were already plenty of road workers around who could help, Jeremy continued on. When he came back the other way 2 hours later, debris from the collision was still being cleaned up. Running red lights never ends well. Check out the chaos these reckless drivers caused. Arcflash was cruising through Oregon in his Model Y when he noticed an erratic Toyota Prius. Right in front of him, not one, not two, but 3 drivers blew right through a very stale red light. The Prius he'd spotted earlier barely made it through the intersection, and we have to wonder what these drivers were thinking pulling such a dangerous move. Zach and Marissa were battling a nasty blizzard on their way home from visiting family in Rhode Island. They were using full self-driving, and they told us it was handling the snowstorm like a champ. As they approached a downhill section, Zach took over manual control, unsure if FSD could handle it. Just then, a driver ahead of them spun out. Zach perfectly maneuvered between the truck and a road sign, narrowly avoiding a collision. The danger now past, Zach re-engaged FSD to continue the trip. Good save, Zach. Andrew had just grabbed some takeout when he steered his Model Y into a left turn lane. Suddenly, another driver cut across 2 lanes of stopped traffic to reach the same left turn lane. Andrew was forced to swerve hard to avoid a collision. If he hadn't, the impact would have been against the passenger door, right where his daughter was riding shotgun. Yikes! Carlos was driving his Model Y in Silverdale when traffic ahead began slowing down. Suddenly, another vehicle came flying in from his side. He managed to avoid making contact, but he found it strange that his Tesla never gave him a collision alert or warned him about the oncoming vehicle. Carlos, who thought he'd felt a bump, made a U-turn and tried to catch up to the other vehicle, but he lost it in traffic. Thankfully, when he checked later, he couldn't find any damage. Gary was on his way to drop his daughter off at college before he headed to work in his Model Y. As he entered a roundabout, he activated his turn signal to indicate he'd be taking the first exit. Everything was going fine as the driver of a Hyundai Tucson in the right lane headed for the same exit. The Hyundai driver sped up as if she was going to pass before slamming on the brakes and swerving into Gary's lane. Gary floored the juice pedal and swerved toward the curb in an attempt to prevent any collision. In spite of his efforts, the side view mirrors of the 2 cars made contact. Cody was driving his Model 3 through Nashville when he watched a white sedan plow into the back of a stopped Hyundai Santa Fe. The driver of the sedan then veered away, climbing an embankment before ending up in a ditch. Conveniently, an ambulance had been merging onto the highway right behind them, and the driver immediately activated the emergency lighting and responded to the collision. Thankfully, the sedan driver exited as soon as the car stopped, so they didn't appear to be seriously injured. Robert was headed north on Alabama's Foley Beach Expressway, on his way to pick up his family from a water park one night in his Model Y. He merged into the left turn lane before a white SUV shot out of a parking lot, illegally cutting across lanes to enter the same turn lane. Even though Robert slammed his brakes and laid on his horn, the SUV driver continued unabated. We're left wondering how a driver can totally fail to react to a horn blaring at them. What do you think was going through that SUV driver's head? Imagine going on an awesome vacation in Italy, getting ready to relax on a beautiful beach. After parking your car nearby, you head down to the water to enjoy the summer sun. What you don't know is that your Tesla's Sentry mode is hard at work, recording multiple vehicle burglaries. In this submission captured in Sicily, we see a couple approach the vehicles parked on the street. Our submitter's Tesla was parked between 2 Fiat Pandas, with the one ahead of it belonging to his sister. First, one of the burglars pops open the driver's door of the other Fiat, we don't know who that one belonged to, using a Slim Jim tool before hopping inside. After failing to access the trunk, the burglar moved to the other Fiat, the one belonging to our submitter's sister, before once again opening the driver's door. Sadly, this time he was able to get the trunk open. The burglars dug around in the back of the Fiat, opening a bag and rummaging around for anything of value. Thankfully, there was nothing worth stealing, so the burglars left without doing anything more than damaging the car's lock. Obviously, our submitter took this footage straight to the police. Officers took a full report, including this video as evidence. This submitter was on his way to work, driving his Model Y down a highway in Dallas. He noticed a Chevy Silverado getting squeezed out of its lane by another driver who hadn't checked their blind spot. While avoiding the chaos, our submitter ran over a ladder that was laying in the road. He didn't even know what he'd hit until he reviewed his Teslacam footage later. Tesla dude was using full self-driving in Queensbury when the vehicle ahead of him suddenly drifted across the white line. The SUV left the road before sideswiping a guardrail. Tesla dude told us the SUV made a left turn at the next intersection, so he didn't get a good look at the damage. Devin was cruising through a neighborhood in Oceanside in his Model Y. Suddenly, a child bolted into the road in front of him, chasing after a ball. The kid spotted Devin's Tesla at the last moment, stopping before Devin ran right over the ball, completely flattening it. Hey, at least it was only the ball that was flattened. Never run into the street without looking, kids. Reese was on his way to dinner one windy day. Out of nowhere, he witnessed a cart demon attack as a shopping cart was launched into an oncoming vehicle before rebounding and hitting a parked car. Reese offered the driver a copy of his Teslacam footage, but they declined, telling him it probably wouldn't be helpful. Street racing is obviously reckless, but what's worse is that it puts innocent drivers in extreme danger. Ali was driving down a highway in his Tesla one night. Suddenly, a BMW 3 Series blew past him before a Mercedes E-Class tried to squeeze through a tiny gap, nearly sideswiping him. Ali reported the incident to the police, but they never got back to him. Sean was approaching an intersection in his Model Y when another vehicle suddenly flew past him, blowing through a red light before almost T-boning a Ford F-150. Sean's Teslacam footage shows the F-150 driver punching the gas pedal to avoid a collision. Yeesh! Stay safe, everyone, and remember to keep your distance from reckless drivers. If someone's driving seems dangerous, don't try to pass right by them, just get far away. Remember, distance buys you time, and time buys you options.